Hello guys, so today is another filter cleaning time. It's been 2 weeks now and it's time to clean out my filter system again, and today I'm doing something different, and I took in some of the suggestions from you guys that tell me to reuse the dirty water from this cleaning for my garden. So that's what I'm doing today. So I have a storage box over here. So I have a storage box here with a pipe direct to this box and a submersible pump. Connect to a garden hose and goes around here. It's a temporary setup anyway, so I connect to this part of garden hose where I usually set my submersible pump over here for my daily use of pond water to water my garden. So, and it goes to my DIY sprinkler system, which is another long garden hose here. Run along this fence and along this garden, and all the way to the end here. So let's get started. So same thing like my previous video of filter cleaning. So same routine, turn off the UV light and 3-barrel pump. So the water dropping down. And I close off my UV light valves. Open up the bypass. Right there. So as you can see, the media are really dirty after 2 weeks. So this barrel number 1, dirty. Number 2, less dirty than number 1. You can still see some dirt accumulated there. Filter. So just wait for the water to drain down. Okay, now I need to bring this first barrel. I'm going to start with the first barrel first. I bring the water level lower than the overflow pipe. down there. So just like that. So that should be enough, or maybe a little bit more, so dirty water doesn't overflow to the next barrel. There you go. Let's take a look on the outside storage box. How much water's out there already? There's some water coming down here. Not much. Okay, let's start the cleaning. Valves open. Turn on the shop vac. Do for 2 minutes. Timer. Well, it's 2 minutes, it's done. We're gonna drain this water out into that storage box. Look at the water coming out. So it's filling up right now. So I'm gonna turn on my sprinkler. Where's my sprinkler? You can see, because I'm at this corner of the yard and the gardens, the other corner, this is the lower end, so I have to utilize this submersible pump to pump the water back to the garden. Still coming out. Alright guys, so that's how I try to reuse my dirty pond water. And that's it. I will continue to clean out my filter, and the water gonna go to the garden to benefit my garden vegetables here instead of going to waste. Thanks for watching. See you next time.